So as we start thinking about how to get more designers using design management at GitLab, I wanted to just do a quick overview of what a designer would be looking for on the homepage and try to get in their shoes. Um, the design persona is so different from a lot of our normal buying personas. And I think that it's important that we give them a place within the marketing site as well, where they can find everything that they need to know on one page. And that will drive engagement for the feature as well. So just being here and starting to scroll down, the majority of the copy is around the DevOps toolchain, which makes sense. A lot of engineering features called out. I do know myself that obviously design management is here under create. I feel it gets a little lost in this whole chart, but it is there. So if they were to click that, they're going straight into the docs. Now, I don't feel that our docs are necessarily the best intro. We can keep iterating on this and make it have more use cases, a little more visual indications of how to use it. I think even some of these images are quite large and they don't really show the flow. So at least you can get to there from the homepage. That would be, you're going from here to the documentation. If you wanted to learn more about the value of it, I don't see it showing up in any of the menus. There's nothing here that speaks to me as a designer. It might be good to have a design management call out right here, something that jumps out because it's a little more out of the norm, outside the normal DevOps world. The other way they might interact here is to search design. If I just try that, look. It looks like I'm getting Kubernetes, which really is not at all what I'm looking for. Product designer onboarding, personas. It's going more into the docs and the job listings. If I was like looking for like Figma, GitLab, Figma, nothing comes up. Sketch. There's a bit of content here. CSS. Visual design. Here's one. Iconography. So there is some design content in the blogs that's surfacing there, but nothing that's going to sell right now for design management. I also opened up analytics and went into acquisition queries. So these are queries that people have typed into Google search that landed somebody on our site. And I highlighted here, GitLab for designers seems like, even though it doesn't have that many hits, it's that might be some good copy to orient around if we were to make a landing page for designers. Similarly, there seems like GitLab design, some of the more generic terms, obviously design systems, another hot one. But if we were to create a landing page built around those that had how to get the plugins, how to get started, maybe some videos, I think it would be a good way to start engaging with the designers that hear about it and then end up on our website. So those are just some thoughts. I'm probably going to make an issue for this for the landing page and start talking to Jordy about marketing this.